is taking solar power for EVs to a new level with its upcoming Sakura, Japan's best-selling tiny EV. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the tech updates. Nissan is debuting its AO solar extender at the Japan Mobility Show later this month. At first, you may think the solar roof looks a little odd, but there's serious tech behind it. The panel's placed on the car's roof to charge the battery while driving and then slides out when parked, doubling its surface area for maximum sunlight content. The system can generate up to 500 watts of power on full extension while shading you on hot days and feeding the battery as well. Even retracted one still produces around 300 watts or 80 watt on gloomy rainy days. Nissan says this could add over 1,800 miles of free electric driving every year. It's a win for Sakura owners who mostly run short errands like school drop-offs. For many, this could nearly eliminate the need to plug in, and the solar system could even act as an emergency power source during disasters. But Nissan isn't the first to add solar roofs. Fiskars, Ocean, Hyundai, and Toyota have already experimented with panels that add a few miles per day, but the AO solar extender takes the concept further with its retractable design. And while 1,800 miles might not sound like a ton, but it's a game changer for low-mileage EV users who rarely go far from home. With all this, solar-powered cars may soon become a practical way to top up without ever touching a charging cable. So, are you ready for the sunny future? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.